So guys, we are in Ochirayas and we are going to do a rafting. We are at White River Rafting, and trust me, Jamaicans, they are so skilled. Look at these rafting guys. Yes guys, tell them about the rafting, them in Jamaican. So you're teaching the trade? Oh.
Yes, you know what, a clock, she wants a Nike here, and tablet, and then something there. You want a big school.
Yeah.
So we have to work some my money.
Yeah man, straight.
They call him Junior one crank, you know? And me and Father one crank, you know? So guess what we do now? We welcome you guys to White River Rafting, okay?
Yeah.
My name is Captain Garfield. So we say splash to a White River Rafting because I do splash to a rafting, alright?
Alright.
They call this river White River?
No.
Okay. Look at the bottom.
The sun is white.
Alright, it's the only river with white sand in Jamaica. You never see it. The river of black sand, right?
True.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
This river is like a spring.
A spring.
Yep. It's the border of St. Anne's and St. Mary. That's St. Mary.
Right over there.
Right here. That's it.
That's how close.
That's so close. Just step across the border. So we start at St. Anne and we end at St. Mary.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at you, you learn the
You guys know the
trade.
history?
Not all of it. Go ahead.
Not all of it. You know what cheese is?
No.
That's the blue maho.
Oh. I know the name.
Yeah, man. If you know it's a junior.
Same Microsoft. Jonah, what? Alright, Jonah.
Alright.
Hey,
Really beautiful.
really?
Bye-bye.
Good job. Good job.
I grew up, man.
Wow. Hey. Oh Lord.
Yes, so welcome, you know?
Yeah, man.
This is how we do it. So when you reach up top now, so you can get one cold beer, you know? You can have a swim, stop to take some nice pictures. You want to do some video, you know?
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful Jamaica.
Are you liking it?
So we're going upstream.
I'm loving
We're
it.
going up the street.
Okay.
Then we're going to get down the street.
Okay.
That's why I should have changed. That's why I didn't want to change.
We have changed the room and everything. So we're close there.
Me leave it in my vehicle.
So you want to change, you want to go there, take a picture and say, no, watch out. One,
Crank.
Crank.
Yeah, rocking with everybody.
Say the name again for my YouTubers them.
only one crank. Yes.
Why you crash?
Garfield,
Why you crash?
one
Why you crash?
And that's Junior crank.
And this is Junior Crank right here. Wow.
Yeah.
Nah, man, I lie.
Never lie.
Nah, man, I lie.
That's not no father.
I want that boy have on Garfield, brief.
Vicky. I hear you, boy. You want like your one more time. Dude, I keep some weird.
Woo, we're full of vibes down here.
A boy, but you walk a road. Eh? We're going to be with this. A boy, man.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Jamaica.
Know which is this?
That's almond?
Yeah.
Ah,
Take
that-
it
that.
one out of two. I'm here with you.
Yeah.
Well, we know that was the blue maho, but we never see
I saw which
good.
one that behind you.
Which? Oh, that one.
I don't see that.
Yes, it nearly looks up. Hey, you know, some man could have tell us you're going to see that. That's the people see that, man.
What kind of tree?
You know what I'm talking about, no?
We don't know what that.
I don't know nothing about that. Donkey PB tree.
That tone, brother.
Oh, this one. Oh, yeah. Welcome to country, brother.
Yeah, man.
Welcome, no, man.
Eh.
I want mine to come back again.
No, man, I come back with your family, man.
Everybody have come this time.
Everybody are come. So, total how much this can carry?
This one,
Yeah.
size like you, the fat smarty Nyla.
No.
This can carry like a 5.
Yeah, man, that good.
Then support Chris
Then take the next one.
Yeah.
oh.
So your family how much?
4.
4.
But we have children and goats, so I care for them people. So
Yeah,
take
so
the
I
next
say
one.
you have your family alone can hold on this, can get up to 5. Yeah.
Alright, so.
It's the 2 most man hold on this with these.
Yeah.
Junior. Yeah, a junior one crank. A junior one crank. Yeah. Father one crank go there, so. Hi, lady. Go on, we'll have fun, you know?
So you one boy?
Yeah, man, you know, no mother to have a son and daughter. Yeah, mother and father, you know.
Where you say you have a daughter? Oh.
Oh, him say him son and daughter.
So
you know
comes the
what?
one crank come. That is very easy.
I'm getting old now. Yes, man.
We are so creative.
Oh, yeah, something.
Oh, sorry, Kara Owen. Sorry, we never know about this here. Next time around.
I look like my dad, but they was like a Batman fan. Yeah, she seen her show them.
So guys, if you don't carry any clothes to swim, you can get your clothes right here. You can get your swimwear. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful Jamaica. That's swimwear, right? Whoa. But me not know me not even know me do that.
Can I show you something over here, nice lady?
Not today.
1 minute, man. I look on what we have.
I'm excited with the rafting and the lot of stuff that I am seeing. I have that pack in the suitcase.
What about that Jamaica swimsuit?
I think me carry down. Me have 2 of that pack.
That's Jamaica, yeah. Which is right.
Wow, I never know that this place was so beautiful. Rafting.
I said him back home. Come on, time you can join us, my campaign. I'm going to use
What is herbal? You don't know what is herbal.
Go to Kobe. Come up here with the singing and put your hand on it. And then take your hand back to your socket.
Like 5 minutes.
Afraid of that?
Put me to work on my vacation.
It's not work, it's like exercise. Yeah.
True. All right.
But when we come in up, it's more.
Oh, so I told you,
You have to go to the gym. That's all.
Look at you, man. The rings don't get in the way while you're using the pole, huh?
No. That's all the stick.
It's all the stick.
So the stick.
Say so. You're the professional.
Yeah.
One, two,
Pull up.
nice. I get a few push. Hang off, man, and go and knock it. Knock it, man. Can I get a piece? Yeah, give me a one hand. Can I get a piece side? Yeah, as a soldier. Use the bramble man and burn down your house quick. You know, and the best thing when the buckets fire, like when you cook for the flavor of the pot. The coconut tree over there, so they walk us up.
About the sweetwood tree.
Sweetwood tree is just a wild tree in the woods, but the one of the best thing for you is cook, you know, because the flavor of your pot, isn't it?
Straight. What's your name, brother?
Trumpet tree.
Mmm.
It's a tree and they say if they have all the asthma. And you pick tea leaf or pie, don't make them touch down and boil it and drink the sinus, you mash it up.
Trumpet tree, guys.
Trumpet tree. Yeah, you then dry one day you catch a cup better. And then one day you take thick and pick up. But anything you drop on the ground, no powerful and powerful trumpet tree.
Where you say no for catch the ground?
Yeah, we are going to visit the maca tree now. You know, a maca tree when no man can climb it, and they flang me, come and show you how I go. No boy can climb, you get poor like a dog. Yeah, man, see a maca.
Whoa.
And this thing called maca tree. You see how some, if you zoom up and look up top, you see some fine one pan it.
Whoa.
Everything, all the leaf, the maca they pan and ground, baby leaf, the maca they pan the back of them a go. Can't walk, I call maca tree. No boy can climb up.
So this is the maca tree, guys. Whoa.
So yeah,
Yeah.
there's not a lot of trees in this parish, so I could tell you a lot more, but we have a guango tree over there too, you know. That's the guango tree. Yeah? We are good on guango. You know, we national chattings.
Straight.
Yeah? We are make a history talk, you know.
Straight.
We want to look at video on the White River. But we are not at Center at the moment. We are in St. Mary because the river is the border of the two parishes. So we do rafting on the border of St. Anne's and St. Mary. The name of the river is the White River. My name is Garfield, aka One Crank. So whenever time you come around, when you see this video, you just come around and say, where's Garfield? Original One Crank. I heard that he's the best.
Straight. One crank, brother.
Only One Crank.
Yeah, man. Him do the rafting a while ago, and trust me, guys, we enjoy it. Trust me. The man chat with you, the man down to earth with you. You can't boring. Trust me. Yeah, man. So anytime you come to White River to do a rafting, just look out for One Crank. Yeah, man. You will enjoy the ride and the stay. Yeah. I boss that man.
General.
Yeah, man.
One.
Crank.
You're going to see Junior Crank. Because he's coming. You're going to get the next video with him soon. Watch it.
This is Mr. Trainer.
No any juice.
Bread pepper and garlic, baby. Good for you.
The best selling them.
Yeah.
Fight against the cold, sinus, pain, headache, diabetes, high blood pressure, poor blood circulation, weight loss, breast cancer, menstruation pain, obesity, increase sexual activity, sleeping improvement. best of the year.
Hear them things there, guys. So anytime you come a White River, come get on a rafting, just stop right out here and get your tonic and your
Noni and the roots. So the strongest man roots.
strongest man roots.
Yeah.
Yo. Yeah. No.
Fermento. Fermento.
You guess wrong up there. That's the goldie.
I don't know good man.
Big old goldie cheese.
Yeah.
Big old goldie body.
That me I say.
Big goldie right there.
But me have a video.
He's a Jamaican too.
Me use our good to play football.
Eh?
Football.
You got Junior one crank.
Introduce the boss to the world.
Captain Junior one crank. Look on the ear. Look at the ear. Digga.
What's that?
Alright.
What do you mean, Captain? Cruise ready for you now.
We have to work in football, man. I think that's the life.
That's true, man. You have to know.
Wait a minute.
Say no easy.
So you have to deal with the youth them. Carry them come and work and show them how work go.
I appreciate
Yeah.
it, yeah.
So what you are going on in the future, you know, so you have a working stick my time. Yeah?
So you don't have to worry about
You don't have to
nothing
worry
at all.
about him and how he must survive later.
That's
Yeah.
why you're training chief and the young.
Yeah, man, they're a phone sports, you know? Active. I want to do that, man. Back put it back of you. Think off now, see there? Yeah. Next time, I see it, you know. Come back up now, you're going on the rough park front, you're going too far. Come back up in the glass. Right, that's the every time. I see,
Why am I glad Junior they hear that day then?
You don't have time to go down on the beach side? You don't have to go down on the beach side?
And these are all fishermen boat. A lot of boats. Captain of the ship.
One more time. Put this thing in there and push it back. River.
Jesus. No.
High five.
This is the boss. Little Crank. Junior Crank, the boss man.
Look, tell her how much.
How?
Tell her your name, how much.
So, honestly, you're strong, man. You did a very good job. I'm so proud of you. Wow. Tree?
No, man, I must break. You better take out tree.
Tell me which grade you're in.
More than one tree. So you know one tree.
And how old are you?
Yeah, one tree.
Oh,
One tree.
1 tree. Oh.
And they have tree different grades.
Beautiful, beautiful Jamaica. Island in the sun. Woo!
You can just come with the speaker box.
Yeah, man.
I think God will make you enjoy the one. Because you get one of this.
Captain One Crank. So we are at our destination. Time to go. One Crank.
So I say thank you for finding White River, and I thank you for welcome. I hope you enjoy. Hope you send a friend or a family. If they can't make it, they send a cat or a dog, okay?
So
One Crank.